Former work people them for shipyard industry, we they call them na chantier naval for French. They don't turn back again for place where they call them say delegation for labor. After we money where they talk say they get for pay and for them. It never also enter for inside Aqua. Tori for this afternoon too, we go take una go for place where they call them say waiting. They do Bonateki. Now waiting happen for that side. Now some small box too for Palava for light. E born for that side so they make people them for place for the do Bonateki. As well the talk just now, they not sure whether light it also come for that side. Chapter for accident, we go talk on this afternoon with the two motor them where they make serious vessels. Now for place where they call them saying Dokoti with the one, it pass. Chapter for campaign 2, we go talk on CPDM, big man, where they call them say big man for CPDM, Jean Kwete, when a Secretary General, e be there for Bamenda, now for do official palava, for talk say waiting, make all people them for Bamenda come out, for vote Nkunkuma for number 7 day. Sabi say Akeremuna Seseb, e be there for place where they call am saying Gaundere. Maurice Kamto, as well we talk to, e be there for Bafusam. OC Joshua, e be there for center for Bama Nenubu. For Sawe and na for Makenene, we go talk all the tori them chapter when newspaper then say they get for talk we go bring them and even palava case them for loss. We get so two people the way they don't lose, we will go try for talk announce for that palava for this afternoon. Big part talk, e detail we say waiting. Say doc, e no the ever worry when na foul, e do waiting, e carry e bone, e dey run. I say doc, e no the ever shake skin. If na fowl e carry bone e dey run. Na for sika say wetin the fowl say na e meat. Na who send we big part up for this time na Kuma Kingsley we come be for Facebook e send we big part up. I dey turn back small time. We salute una mami them, we salute papa, we salute auntie, we salute uncle, we salute brother, we salute sister. All people that they don't shit down for before tele just now. For look we, even when I want one day for that side where they call them say West region, Dallas China Seb, it is true salute for all people them for that side. Tori for this afternoon country people them, we go interface for palava for mash. Former work people them for shipyard industry na chantier naval with the talk so they don't come out again as well with the talk they did for before labor office for that side so for Bonanjo con the people them that's why with the talk this former work people them for a chantier naval they don't come out again as well with the talk just now for them they did for delegation for inside labor for Douala here. Again, they talk say make they pay them money where it dey so they get for pay them. Sabi say the money after when they commode the people them for work, they talk say they be get for give them money. Nkunkuma says a sign book, a talk say make they pay the people them money. Now so too pa Philemon Yang, he go for back. Nkunkuma he talk say okay, make they turn back for Douala. Douala now according to where they work people then they talk. They say money don't already enter for labor office, but certain now they never so take that money. So after the first day where they be make mash last week, they don't come out again today. They day for before labor office. They talk say waiting, say they want that their money, make they pay them for them. Before they be one send them for outside for by force pension, now where they be promise them 16 months, they never pay the money. So this morning time I saw the talk just now, they don't block the whole place for that side. So for inside Bonanjo, labor office, for talk say that money, it must to come out. Say that money, when Kunkuma be don't sign book, then even Prime Minister is support. They talk say that money must to come out. They say money don't enter Douala, but they don't understand the kind magu where they make them. Name for people there they get for take that money, it never come out. So they don't turn up again for day today. They make their mash. Make we hear one of the work people them, former work people them for chantier naval on a shipyard industry one column. He talk for we waiting it happen.
We will be a temporary worker for chantier naval. We will be 2008. The head of state seems to move all temporary workers that Shanti Nava. If you talk to Shanti Nava, because of small money, he give it. Then government, he give it some money too. So if you don't follow the money up to go for you, you see head of state. Head of state say, we they pay the money. We see head of state, we see prime minister, say they pay the money. We all come see governor send me for Joe. Go see Joe send me for the labor office. We go for labor office, so the way that they put up the list for the money. Carriage today, we wait the list, we need to see the list that come out. So no know the money don't come, they for labor office, but they don't put up the list. We don't know why.
Yes, he talk say money don't come, e dey for labor office. They no understand wetin wey the pass wey they no wan comot name them for people there they get for take money. Sabi say after wey they turn up for outside, last now this image wey e just dey come for we eye, e dey try for tell we say wetin, say e dey so the work people they don't enter for inside labor office now, they don't lock gate, they don't talk say no person e no go comot for outside, so take that money or they tell them side where they go take that money. Now only that time we gate for that work office place where they call am say labor office, e go open. So as well the talk now the work people they don't enter for inside the fence, they don't lock the gate, they talk say so take they pay them that money, they say no one man e no go comot for outside. Now mean say the work people them for labor office where they don't come work this and time, no man e no go comot for outside, so take they talk for them side where that their money dey, so they don't lock the gate for the place. They talk say that money e must, that money no comot, no workman e no go comot for outside for the people them. Now the image that way job comot for that side, so for Bonanjo for labor office for talk say make they pay work people them money. We go hear this party man now. He gets on strong talk where Iwangi and from Kunkuma. Waiting he get for talk. Make we hear.
This is back for the head of state say all that never be respected for inside labor office. People dey for among year where they don't old, they don't be able to work hard. People dey for with their woman don't come on married. People dey that they suffer. People dey never go school. And we so to prepare for go vote for inside our own country, but yet we no get means because all of us will be blocked. We no get money for skin. People dey that they suffer, their woman they don't come on married. People they no get, people they need to go school. One man then they will not be able to work for the 10 years. They don't keep them behind with their money. Carry it now soon. So we beg me head of state try for make we feel free like Cameroonians. They not treat me like people they not be like Cameroonians.
We go left palava for mash for former work people them for shipyard industry. We go enter for different side. Take on for Deido Bonateki. Now for day two where people their minds, their hearts, it be caught yesterday plenty for place where they call them say Deido for Bonateki side calling people them. Now fire that way it be the cash show for overnight for place where they call them say Deido Bonateki. That put small box where they put them for place where plenty current then they pass. Now so it catch fire so they always start make na po pa. Now so people then say for that side they fear. As well the thing start catch fire. Now so to one time light for that side a fini loss. I say light a fini loss. See as well they make and as well be the hala ta po ta. Now so people they ask question. You understand? They ask question say now which kind of gun be this? Say the whole Daido Bonateki as well the talk just now. Darkness e dey dey after wey the light or the place a catch fire. Sabi say one time as wey fire the catch, people dey wey dey know the sleep for night, they call them na army rescue boy them for Captain Afo Hansi. Sabi say na them ever dey for land, big commander SSF e dey for office. Na so too they call them one time army rescue people them. They run camp for that side for can check the condition for as wey the light e don't feel lost the whole place. E be dey na for dark. As wey they land with their motor, one time they start lost na the fire, they lost the fire water, so take the fire e last lost and the place e quiet. But sabi say people them for Deido for Bonateki just now, they no get lights and we dey try for send na even strong message for people the way they dey local lights for inside we country. May they try for go for day for go check till wey happen for that side. Sabi say if no be na army rescue people them, e mean say other thing e for surely pass for that quarter yesterday for night as well the talk. But sabi say lights e no dey for that side since yesterday for night. So na BB work where they get for go do am for place where they call am say Deido Bonateki after we small box with plenty cable them. They pass for a system a catch fire for that side. For Ndokoti side na accident serious versus taxi versus private motor. Now the taxi mob that. See how a taxi mob chakara sote tam no day. Now serious versus. It means all them two they be people. All man it be the county own speed. Boom, boom. They just get so gam. You see them two no? All them two danger. All them two the chakara sote tam no day. Don't ask me who said the people there they be there inside that motor they be there. Me I know fit talk say they don't carry them go. But when you see and say you go sabi say no. This one it be there at different level. It means say all man it be there for speed before a jam. Make we work go for back the taxi. We check that number first. Whether if I get number. Okay, a get number. Littoral 5074X. Voila, the one get number. It means say the cash say no problem. The other man he get number for side. Now ever rich people them. They will talk say na pay motor. You know see na chassis number that. He never even put number for a motor. Now he means say trouble there. If you do man you no get insurance, the other man get insurance, trouble dey. So now the accident that versus wey happen, all them they be there for serious speed. I mean say the speed it become na different level. They just jam boom. All man e own e hear bat. Now so the team pass for that side so where they call am say Dokoti. Yes, now from Dokoti side where that one e pass. Now confusion for northwest and west we go enter for day. Confusion for northwest and west. People they also enter for that side so for loom. Now cargo than that. Now for Sika why that way they so oga people them for church they don't turn back again. Now for that side for loom where the one e pass. Sabi say people they also come out. People they also come out. So they even as DOSSF every day a joint pastor them say make they prayer for peace. Say better say make they need that. Beg Papa God say make things they come back to normal. Than for say make they so she don the look place. So she don the look place. So now for Sika this confusion for northwest and west so people they only don't enter for loom, enter for Suza, enter for Kumpena, enter for this side, go for that side. So Papa they say better na prayer. Make they she done for inside church prayer and company as this SSF ebidede for see as way this prayer palaver e go pass. Now SSF it also make the prayer for the confusion and vote where it come for Sunday. When the thing it pass, Jacquino Molon. I say Jacquino Molon we hear, we mop for that side so for loom, penja, he put microphone for some of the people then where they be make prayer, the pastor them and all people them. Make we hear where they get for talk for Jacquino Molon in microphone.
Cameroonians on the soil of Penja.
We take that interview them with that people them they talk for Jacquino Molon, a microphone for that side so for loom.
We don't see say how people fish down the be one mop. You know they again. Chakala don't be. Any man the one do what you way like. Now you don't make say another route them. We don't find them for say peace being. We don't mean by say if I say for another time again like this one, may we come for corner God. For can't tell you what way the against we, what way the humble way, and we talk for you a hell if we. It makes a peace come for Mindro.
Oh man, no say we can't trade for Insawa. And so I pass to the member. Say all the state for Lumo must meet over today for prayer, for some peace come back for this country.
For this morning time, now for peace for inside we country Cameroon. War for the north, extreme north, war for south, west and northwest. We don't see say if we will not put all this one up our hand for God, we know if we do nothing will to be on sense. Inside Loom, because people they come out Bamenda, people they come out southwest, people they come out north, all these people there for inside Carrefour and for Loom, and again they give it plenty work.
We don't see.
Yes, now people them that's where they talk so for Jacquino Molon in microphone. Just now we enter for inside chapter for campaign. We go start for that side so for inside Bamenda, con the people them for talks waiting. Secretary General SSF for CPDM, he don't hold big one. Ma Yao Aisa to SSF, Ebidede for inside this big rally for CPDM where he pass for inside Congress or for Bamenda. Even big man Oga Bayu SSF, now them SSF they did look out say made the campaign. He work a fine for inside that side where they call him. Say no way, Sabi say na so to plenty party people them they become am for that side so as so they can hear wetin wey pa Jean Kwete e comot with am for Yawende for can talk for them. Sabi say one of the Tron talk wey e talk for the people dem for Bamenda na say wetin e glad plenty say e dey so fear e no dey for their mind, and number 2 thing na for check say when that day e come when na number 7 day for people dem for vote, make all man e put e head try for check as wey they go put back Nkunkuma on top chair. But sabi say place e be full up, na so too pa prime minister say wey they call am say Philemon Yang he sef e be dey for Bamenda for inside this big palava wey happen. Na pa Philemon Yang say that way e be dey there for say make this palava for rally for CPDM e pass fine. Other BB people dem pass Simon Achidiachu, even Dove say e be dey there wey they get for show say that one na palava for peace. On top table you go see even peace plant wey e dey so they put am for dey for say wetin make all thing e happen fine. Governor Sesep Adolphe Lele Lafrique he too e be shidon for corner palm wey they call am say Jean Kwete wey e be dey for Bamenda. Sabi say na big rally for CPDA wey happen after wey Philemon Yang say wey na prime minister e be don start campaign for place wey they call am say Northwest. We go left that palava just now. We take una, we enter so for inside that palava. Make we hear wetin wey pa through Jonathan he talk after the rally wey he pass for Bamenda. Yes, as we pass Jean Kwete Sesep through that Dove na for talk say wetin peace. Sabi say Dove na ever palava for peace. Make we hear powerful Jonathan he talk.
Santa don't promote all for welcome Secretary General. And to give you one message, say tell President Paul Biya, say Santa be ready for vote. They will vote 100%. You don't see the crowd, you don't come out, they celebrate already the victory. So Santa be ready, Santa will put President Paul Biya.
Powerful Jonathan will be the talk for we just for sabi say inside this palava for rally for Bamenda, that moto for Nkunkuma to be followed Dave Bamenda moto sesep for Nkunkuma for chapter for campaign, e be go for Bamenda. Sabi say Nkunkuma too, e be get your own moto. So our eye e be see that moto, we thought say we no feel 11 too, we will no show am na moto that from Nkunkuma, where e too e be there for campaign for place where they call am say Bamenda country people them. Sabi say the moto na moto the way Nkunkuma buy am for Sika chapter for campaign. Now one of them that way Ibi Waka enter for Bamenda town, and sabi say the rally way pass for Bamenda, it happen fine, no disturb, it no be day all thing, it pass fine. So now judge the moto that we wanna see and so for that side for inside Bamenda. We go left that one now, so we take una go to for Penja side for talk say CPDM for Penjam, edi do na waiting door. You understand? Now them that I say that for door now for inside quarter. No, we not say they gather people them. They no gather people them. They meet up mommy for inside house. They say, "Mommy, you sabi the man. Take close. Where you see, I know. Mommy, take close." After they give mommy small thing them. So no be na palava for she done for one place. They she done na for door. Then even take cargo the two. Give am for outside small. So now so campaign for a CPDM Ediwaka just now for Penja side as well. Even the parliament he wear own clothes. He see where they do. They tear the clothes. Put it na close for CPDM. So people then say for Hausa Quarter, all them they join camp for that side.
Support now so for talk for people. I go telling them say na this one for that day they go vote them. This paper, me man no me error. Me I be una picking for Jombe Penja. That means if una vote Mbia, una don't vote me. Now me I go kill message for Yaoundé. I say Mbia first na man for peace. Na man for peace.
Opposition day for Jombe Penja. I say yes, but CPDM is very, very strong, and so every man, every woman, every young man can vote Paul Biya on October the 7th.
Waka kache bakache na begin am today how una don see am so. This car the third day we no fear, we no dey fear. Paul Biya you don't confuse na who this. No fear, no nothing. We there for Penja, we there for you back. No me na bob, we there for you back. Now you get this.
We left CPDM for party where they for on top chair. We take una to talk how with the other people then today they do that thing. We go for that side from Gaundere. Sabi say Padiman where they call it a big lawyer, international lawyer. Where they call it a Keremuna. It be day to from Gaundere for place where they call him say Jolie Swam. Now for the way it dey so, it be meet up people then from Gaundere for talk for them why where they get for put it for chair for it today. For number 7 day for inside this moon. And Sabi say inside the same arrangement where it be passed on that side. Say campaign Akeremuna Sesep, it don't promise. Say they go do plenty thing them for them. If they put them or they put it on top chair. Now they talk that to Akeremuna. A carry and go for place where they call them saying Gaundere, Mutumbu people then say they be there for sing so that make people then to the dance more. Make una see the other side for inside this work for Keremuna from Gaundere. OC Joshua too, he be there for place where they call him say Yawende. Now for Bam and Enubu, he turn for Ntiki and other place them. He finish he work out for place where they call him say Makenene. Today we will talk so he don't change place, but Sabi say for that side, he promise them plenty thing them. If they put it for chair for number 7 days, Sabi say he don't talk. And he go put him for one side. He open some other thing then we go help Cameroon for go for before. Even number from Gomna way they now minister them. He go put an offer down for say make Cameroon people they here find school. He go be Nanjo. He be give plenty promise them and that's so he don't tell them. Say time for change. Now if they vote for number 7 day for inside this moon, they will vote. He go pass. OC Joshua, he be talk for them for pidgin. We be pick am for distance. Wanna hear?
We see this problem. Make we address them. But I don't want me one Cameroonian person die. Even when they tell we say we may be Cameroonian and they know. Will be Amazonian, will be this, will be that. You say, even that one, I don't want to make him die. Now, president, that we no fit vote president. Give it power. Say, make him defend Cameroon. He send we army for go kill we own kingdom. We no fit allow that. And why that? Now why that for that 7th of October we get
OC Joshua talk for people then for outside. We go finish with Park come to Sesep. Population will be come up for Park come to Ibak. Now for Bafusam side, we Park come to Sesep. Maurice come to Ibide them. And again for that side, it be get other people them. UPC party they for Ibak. And plenty other people then too they be come for them for can look out and here wait we get for give for them if they voted for them. Sabi say the same population will be talk come good for Maurice Kamto for place where they call am say Yawende na so to Bafusam they be come out them plenty. Man I didn't put small sound for up we hear as we place it be hala for Maurice Kamto.
On tape une fois, 2 fois, 3 fois. Je veux encore voir les 2 mains, 2 mains. On tape une fois. On tape deux fois. Général. Sécurité. Le général est là ce soir.
That one, now Maurice Camto, thank you plenty Varios for some way put on for we for that site. Sabisi Nadine, Idena for machine for put image. Thank you plenty Varios for that site. Just for Sabi to say Bongo Square for Boyam. Place, it is shine, small for Bongo Square. Sabi say Bongo Square to the prepare for big rally for that side. So for Palava for campaign for Nkunkuma. Even as so never so for talk whether Nkunkuma go be for Boyam. But Sabi say Congo side, he talks in Nkunkuma go dey for Boyam, for Palava for rally for CPDM. So Bongo Square since he don't dey prepare. Now face that for Bongo Square for inside Boyam. As well they prepare for talk come good for Nkunkuma for that side. So, the Tori don't finish this afternoon. Sabi Sepso will go turn back for plenty of the other people then. We will turn back for him tomorrow for some time. We get Tori newspaper talk about them. The guidance post where he did for outside today. He did talk for we say Nkunkumam. He don't talk come good for big man for African Confederation for African Damba where he did so it happen where Nkunkuma says he had. He be the court say they fit come out 2019 man Damba for a hand. Say make it no happen now. So to the talk for we campaign CPDM Secretary General he enter for Bamenda for make big rally even as way people that we don't talk say he no go fit for pass. Akedemuna too, he don't talk say chapter for Norwest Airways, he go lock am for inside 100 days. If they vote put it for chair. Osi come to all them, they talk say they go sorry Nkunkuma for all batting the way don't do if they vote them for inside A to D. Other Tori the day where you fit for read them inside the guidance post where it did to for outside. The info newspaper where don't just come out just now, call the people then too, he get his own Tori for tell him. For inside the info, they tell we say 2018 chapter for get new Nkunkuma. First for experience, he go true be for Boyam. They don't put na 3 question for day whether true Nkunkuma he go there for that side so for Boya. So for inside the Tori for the info where 1,000 people they follow him. They try for tell we say chapter for Ezeka we train he craze. They say company for train na he get hand for inside the accident. Now so to the talk for we chapter for Mandamba 2. They say Cameroon it go so happen that competition. No anything way he pass or back. Now big man says for calf he talk am. Now so to the try for talk for we as we petit pays as well as Sabi name Claude Adolphe Mundi. The way happen, they say his skin, it don't determine fine, small. Last one we will look for inside for this afternoon, Le Gideon says he get his own strong number then for talk for we, waiting there for inside Le Gideon, where he there for outside. Chapter for national insecurity, Cameroon, now which country they, now country where he get his own kind small magu. Now so to the talk for we, chapter 2 for vote, they try for tell we, say Akeremuna Sesep, he there for outside, for see as we chapter for campaign, it go dey happen in the proper. Then they try for tell you to say caravan Sesep ide, where ide for back Nkunkumam, for see as we Nkunkumam, if he done on top chair. Other Tori the day for Le Gideon, Palava Enam exam where result to don't come out. Other one, you feel read them for inside Le Gideon where they for outside. We take case them for people there they don't lose before we come out. We go start with this picky way they call it say Casey Megan, nine that the picking name Dumfat Casey Megan. He gets 19 years and they talk say just now it don't be na 2 moon where they never see since we come out for house. It be the shidon for Bonandalem 105 and they talk say the talk fine for French. If you don't see this picking, tingly number for you for column 670 281 078 699 160 233 678 303 929. They say big dash it waits any person way he find this picking he bring them. Another one we don't lose. Now this other one they call them say Jacob Merveille Blanche. Jacob Merveille Blanche. Now they picking that. We picking that. He gets 16 years according to Toru Ocean for inside we book. They try for tell we say come up for their house. Now Sunday number 30 day for September moon around 7 o'clock for some time. Say he be the go for a grandpapa house for New Bell. They say after we come up for a grandpapa, he be one turn back for house which day for Dog Passy 3. He never turn back since that Sunday. So they try for tell we say any man way he don't see this picking. They say the picking he dey fine and he dey talk fine for Emmanuel Macron. A country talk. So Madame Njukep Epus Njukwa Sidonim he dey beg any person wey don't see this picking make he call the tigni number them 677 778 987 677 754 911 677 398 473 or 698-439-144 or you come for Equinox Story House with the Pekin for this side, so for Mobile Bonakwama. So we go turn back for that and this announce them when we turn back for here for some time. Sabi say we already jump enter for different times. So once a big thank you for all now on Adon Shidon for here as we to repass. Thank you Various, thank you Plenty Malice, thank you to Nadingwa Form. We thank even Talas Chanam and the other people that they help for cemetery pass. We go meet up for some time on a whole I'm tight for outside.